Sangeeta ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone.
Very, very good afternoon. Thank you so much for coming, ma'am. Yes, you're completely audible and visible,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Yes. So we can start, ma'am.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see what y'all are going to present.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. All the best, children. All the best, school. Go ahead then.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good afternoon to Honorable Chief Guest, respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my lovely, lovely children. Excellence isn't about working extra hard to do what you are told. Excellence isn't about working extra hard to do what you're told. It's about taking that initiative to do work you decide is worth doing. And we, the TSSS family, have done exactly the same. We have taken this initiative to present our students' AIL projects through this presentation. On this occasion, on behalf of the TSSS family, I would take this opportunity and welcome our guest of honor for today, Mrs. Sangeeta Kulkarni, Principal and Trustee of the Valley View High School. She has a magnificent work experience of around 10 plus years in corporate sector as a master trainer and manager for international banks like JP Morgan Chase, Capital One, and Household. She is an expert in curriculum development and restructuring, innovative integration, and change management. Mrs. Kulkarni holds honorary degrees in commerce and education. She has a UK affiliated diploma in primary education, international teaching diploma for Cambridge curriculum. She holds a post graduation in human resource management and business management. We welcome you, ma'am. It is an honor to have you here today with us. We hope that you will enjoy and will be delighted by the end of today's presentation by all of us. So, audience, I would now want you to fasten your seat belts and be ready for a ride as we kickstart our presentation with a welcome speech by Ansh Kankaria. Over to you, Ansh.
Thank you, ma'am. A very warm and pleasant afternoon to respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, all the dignitaries, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Ansh Kankriya, welcome you all on the behalf of the Stepping Stone School for Art Integration presentation for grades 5 and 6. Art is a rich culture of our country. It expresses the imagination, ideas, and technical skills of the creator. The origin of art can be traced to the prehistoric settlements in the 3rd millennium BC. Art has a lot of variety of art forms such as painting, sculpting, pottery, textile arts, singing, and dancing. Art has been integrated with learning since a long time, which is based on learning through arts and with arts. AIL is focused on child centric joyful learning, deeper understanding of concepts, and imbibing the Indian ethos, etc. This year, as Maharashtra and Odisha are paired together, we will get information about the languages, songs, and arts and crafts of Maharashtra and Odisha. By the end of today's event, I hope that we will all have a better knowledge about the language, songs, and arts and crafts of these two states, Maharashtra and Odisha. Thank you. Over to you, Aditya Nahana.
थँक यू अंश. नमस्कार, माझे नाव अदिती शहा आणि मी मराठी आहे.
नमस्कार, Mona Ahana Patel Achi, Mu Oria Achi.
And we are the host for today's art integration presentation. Ahana, did you just hear what Ansh told us about art integration?
Oh, yes, Aditi. Art integration is a learning through arts which is focused on joyful learning and for us to imbibe the India ethos. And this year we are paired with Odisha.
Yes, Ahana, that's great. In today's presentation, we will get more information about the various languages, dance and arts and crafts and music of the two states. Moving ahead, आज जब हम भाषा की ही बात कर रहे हैं, तो क्यों ना स्वर और व्यंजन से ही शुरू करें?
Bilkul, good idea. For that, let's call upon Soham Salunke and Srujana from grade 5 to help us with the two languages, Marathi and Oriya. Over to you, dear friends.
नमस्कार, मैं नीलम शर्मा। हम यहाँ पर आज आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन के अंतर्गत स्वर और व्यंजन के माध्यम से भाषा, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट का समन्वय देखेंगे। ओवर टू यू सोहम।
सुदोपहर, माझे नाव सोहम साळुंखे। मी आज मराठी स्वर सांगणार आहे। अ आ इ ई उ ऊ री ए ऐ ओ औ अम आहा। धन्यवाद
सबको। मेरा नाम सृजना है। मैं आज आपको ओडिया के व्यंजन के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ। ख, ख, ग, ग, ङ, छ, छ, ज, झ, ञ, ठ, ठ, ढ, ढ, न, थ, थ, ध, ध, न, प, फ, व, भ, म, य, र, ल, व, स, ह, य, ल। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो।
छान, खूप आनंद झाला। धन्यवाद मित्रांनो। Ahana, I was wondering what is the word for friend in Oriya? In Marathi, it is mitra or sakhi.
Aditi, in Oriya it is Sangi, but you know what? We have our Sangis who are going to teach us some golden words and sentences in both the language through a scratch program. Isn't it cool?
Of course, it is. And I'm so excited to learn in the new way. So let's call upon Ira, Soham, Anvai and Soham Ghola to facilitate this. Over to you, friends.
Good afternoon all. I am Vaishali. Technology is an essential tool in 21st century. Let us see how our programmers have integrated technology with languages of both the states. Over to you, Ira and team.
Thank you, Vaishali ma'am. Good morning, respected Director Sir, Principal ma'am, honorable guests, all my teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Kira Kulkarni. Today, me and my friends, Soham Gokhale, Soham Gulab and Anvai are going to present a scratch program on the topic of integration of Maharashtra pairing with Odisha. So let's start. Ira, your screen is visible. Hi sir. Nice to see you all. For a very long time. I'm from America.
Hello, I am Soham Gokhale. I am from Odisha.
I am Soham Gholap. I am from Maharashtra.
Don't worry, Ira. I will help you. Tell me some words. I will translate them in Odisha.
Oh, so nice of you. So nice of you. Helpful. I have some common words. How do we say thank you in Odia?
We say Dhanyabad. क्षमा करिबे। दयाकारी। We say it as Kana. It is खातिरदारी। अपन का नाम काना। केमिते अच्छो। मुँह बोला रे अच्छी।
Thank you. No, thank you. Very much.
हाँ, welcome.
It was nice to understand for Odia language.
What a thing. It's I am from Maharashtra. I can help you. Tell me some words.
For thank you, what do we say?
We say धन्यवाद.
Okay. Sorry in Marathi.
It is माफ करा.
Or please.
कृपया.
I am thankful to you.
मी आपले आभारी आहे.
For what are you doing?
तुम्ही काय करताय?
How to say what is your name?
आपले नाव काय आहे?
How are you?
तुम्ही कसे आहात?
Well, I am fine.
मी मस्त आहे.
Very good. Thank you. मी आपली आभारी आहे.
Welcome.
I hope you all have enjoyed the program and understood some words. Thank you. Over to you, Ahana.
Dhanyavad, dear friends. That was superb, and I'm sure all our audience would have learnt a few words through this.
Sangi, Ahana, our 6th grader Stepians have prepared beautiful arts and crafts from Odisha and Maharashtra and ready with the information about them too.
Sakhi Aditi, then what are we waiting for? Let's have a look what they have for us.
Sure, let's go to Grishma, Spandan, Manas and Shaurya to see this. Over to you all.
For this presentation, we have integrated arts with different subjects like English, as the students use English as the mode of communication, computers as the students use it as the mode of presentation, math as the students use various shapes to draw the figures, SST as they provide us the information about the arts and crafts from the two states. So let us see what they have for us. Over to you, Grishma.
Good afternoon, respected director, sir, principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Grishma, and my friends will tell you some information about the art and craft of Odisha and Maharashtra. Odisha and Maharashtra, two states full of culture and art. The art and craft of these states is world famous. The expertise of the artisans of Maharashtra can be seen in the fine art and craft finishes. The fine fabrics of Himru and Mashru are the clear examples of their highest level of weaving art. Kolhapur, a district in Maharashtra, makes handmade leather sandals which are world famous. Wali art is also very popular. Odisha boasts of opulent art and craft that can certainly win hearts. An important native art coming from the Kansari and Dhokra caste in Odisha is a popular folk art. From fine stone carvings to the traditional art of Pattachitra, from the carving of images in the sand to the silver filigree to the internationally acclaimed applique, Odisha is one stop in India that is fit for any culture aficionado. Over to you, Spandan.
In Maharashtra, there are many handlooms like Paithani, Solapur Chadhar, Godhadi, Karvat Kathi Sari, and Narayanpet. Paithani is a pure silk sari named after the Paithan town. Solapur Chadar is a cotton bedsheet popular in India. Godhadi is a woolen blanket made on putloom. People sleep on them in acute back pain. Narayanpet is a sari designed with contrasting zari border with silver lined pallu. Now over to you, Shaurya.
The state is famous for its silk ikat weaves, an intricate process bandha in which braid and weft threads are first tied and dyed to produce the design pattern on the loom while weaving. Over to you, Manas.
Thank you, Shaurya. Textiles have their own individuality. It has bold and unused patterns. It is famous for its silk ikat weaves. Most popular and flagship item of tie and dye textile of Odisha is sari. Typical varieties of Odisha sari are Khandavad, Saktupada, Bichitapura, etc. The mastery of the weavers is especially Sylvan in the Sar silk. Silkworm cultivation in silk weaving combines centuries. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, dear children. Aditi, could you please show me what you made?
Yes, ma'am. I have made this Pipli art of Jagannath Puri through geometrical shape and craft papers.
Wow, that's wonderful. Pratham, can you show me what you made?
I have made the handloom of Maharashtra and Odisha.
That's beautiful too, Pratham. Aditya Shetty, can you also show us what you made?
Yes, ma'am. Lord of Universe, he is deeply worshipped in regional traditions of Hinduism in India and Bangladesh.
Thank you, Aditya. Vedika, did you also make something like this?
Yes, I have made this Pipli art using geometrical shape and colorful paper.
Wow, that's wonderful. Thank you so much, Vedika. Over to you, Ahana.
Bahut Chala. You all were so creative. We loved those beautiful works, and I'm sure all our viewers would have loved them too. Sangeeta ma'am, now that we learn about the language and different art and crafts, I'm curious to know about the different dance forms in the both states too.
श्योर रहना, आपकी ये इच्छा हम जरूर पूरी करेंगे, पर पहले लेट अस नो हाउ कैन वी लर्न साइंस एंड मैथ वाया म्यूजिक एंड डांस. Now art isn't just about visuals. Music can lend some fun to your daily science routine. We make different sounds with instruments by clapping our hands or by using our voice. All of these create different vibrations, and this is how we can learn science via music. Isn't that good? Now, dance has always been an example of keeping your body fit as an exercise. Now, dance involves a lot of formations like moving or forming a circle, standing in a straight line, forming a semicircle, counting the steps, using your hands parallel, moving your legs parallel, thus helping to us learn about different geometric shapes, which is a part of math. Now, let us begin with two performances on the powerful Gondal art form of music and dance from Maharashtra to evoke the gods and goddesses within us all. So, for this, we will be having a video played of Soham Awad singing and Srushti Ware who will perform a Gondal for us. Over to you, Vaishali ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
महिषासुर मर्दिनी पुन्हा देखते थे मतला आज आम्हावरी संकट भारी धावत ये लवकरी आज आम्हावरी संकट भारी धावत ये लवकरी अंबे गोंधळाला गोंधळ मांडला भवानी गोंधळाला गोंधळ मांडला अंबे गोंधळाला गोंधळ मांडला भवानी गोंधळाला गोंधळ मांडला गंबे गोंधळाला बोला बाईचा बोला भवानी मातेचा बोला सप्तशृंगी मातेचा धन्यवाद.
Over to you, Srushti.
Good afternoon, respected director, sir, principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I will be performing Gonda to you all.
Srushti, the music is not audible, bacha.
Srushti?
सृष्टी खूप छान प्रस्तुती केलीस तू. Folk dances are the dances which have their own unique styles, and it reflects the ways they originate from, how people live, think and express themselves. Our next dance performers are Shreya, Durva and Swara, and they will perform some folk dances from Odisha from us. So over to you all. Over to you, Shreya.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected principal, ma'am, director, sir, honorable dignities, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I will perform Chhau dance.
My name is Durva and I am going to present Sambalpuri folk dance. Thank you. Over to you, Swara.
Good afternoon all. Today I will be performing the Sambalpuri dance form for you. So let's start.
Nuakhai, when Mother Earth is ripe with the harvest and the oceans of paddy sway madly in the wind, the first cut of fragrant grain is offered to Goddess Lakshmi. A jubilant community sings and dances at the prospect of renewed prosperity.
Thank you and have a nice day.
वाव, अति उत्तम. तुम्हारा नृत्य बहुत भलो लागिला. That was a beautiful performance. The present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you are attentive, you will surely see it. To fill our event with joy and happiness, with their soulful singing and expressive dancing, let me invite Tanishka Chandekar and Shravani Joshi. Over to you, Tanishka.
Good afternoon all. I will be singing Odisha's folk song Rangavati. Rangavati, 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 Kolo Kolota, Hasifate ko holo kotha. Hai Rangavati, Rangavati, Kolo Kolota, Hasifate ko holo kotha. Laje, 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 hai laje, 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 hai laje, 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 Lodge lodge loy chachi motabu. Night koro ata. Hey, lodge lodge loy chachi motabu. Night koro ata. Hey ranga, oh ranga. Hey ranga, 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 ranga. Hey ranga boti. Sopolo horojo sopolo. Sopolo horojo sopolo. Ranita lesita magigera tubuda. Kerongobati rongobati. Thank you and have a nice day. Over to you, Shravani.
Good afternoon all. Today I am going to perform on Maharashtrian folk Lagni.
Wow, thank you for those beautiful moves and ragas, dear friends. Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. We all have tried to our best to the best of our capabilities. We hope that you liked our today's program.
It is always very important to thank the people who have been your side supporting and encouraging you. And to give away the vote of thanks for today, I would like to welcome Vedika Kulkarni from grade 6.
Thank you, Aditi. I would like to thank respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, all the dignitaries, teachers, and all my friends for listening patiently to what we offer. I would also like to thank all the teachers and participants of today's presentation for putting up this wonderful show. At last, I would like to thank Zoom app for making all our events possible in this pandemic situation. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Vedika. In today's presentation, dear audience, we saw the amalgamation of various subjects with arts. And this was just the first step. We have a whole ladder to cross. And we surely will cross the ladder successfully, but it will only be possible under the guidance of our leaders. And to guide us, I would like to invite respected Director Sir and Principal Ma'am to be our guiding lights as always.
A very good afternoon to the entire school fraternity, Kulkarni Ma'am, Directors, and everybody, all the parents who are present here to see this wonderful show that our children and with the help of teachers, they have put forth in front of us. So when I talk about Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, the campaign which was started by the government of India, when this art integrated learning was being given to us, all these schools to take forward, it was at a time when we didn't know how to basically approach. But with the help of the teachers, with the help of the children and parents, because even in this particular time when we were all in lockdown and then later on, we did not know when the school would have been starting, and the physical and online school, you know, the whole dilemma of starting when the things are going to be better. You parents, you teachers, and the most of you children, you showed the way ahead. You showed how we can take the learning ahead. Whatever come, learning never stops. And that is what I have always learned from my school fraternity. Whenever I feel down saying, oh, how I'm going to perform this, how I'm going to approach that particular thing, my team is always there. The team of parents, the team of enthusiastic teachers, and the team of enthused learner who are always present to give me what I always have visioned but never been able to complete. So thank you so much for giving that kind of way every time, a light ahead, a beacon, a torch bearer, motive, and a thought for all of us. What I have seen today is really an integration of art, though, as very correctly said by Sangeeta ma'am at the end, we are just on the first threshold. We have a long way to go. This is something which we were able to achieve only, I think, in 10 days. So that was a great feat, school. Seriously, if we can do this much in 10 days, I can surely say that if we are in the physical school and we are together, the children and the teachers together with us, with the help of support and help of our parents, we may achieve much more, and we had been achieving for so many years now. I can recall one beautiful saying by Benjamin Franklin. He said that if a child is being told something, he will only remember it for some time and then forget. If the child is being taught, the child may remember some things. But if the child is involved in activities, the child learns for life. And that is completely true. At the time when CBSE has imbibed the art integrated learning in its curriculum, there were some school leaders who were already doing it for, I think, time immemorial. And I am so happy and proud to share that today we have one leader with us, Miss Sangeeta Kulkarni. When I went to her school, I think 5 years back, and what I saw there was learning at a pace which was way ahead of the time. You know, she taught us how we can learn while kneading flour. We made cookies together, ate cookies together. I have all these art integration that I saw in her school. So I think the best person who can tell us whether we are on the threshold of it and we can see a brighter future in art integration is only Ms. Kulkarni. So I would request Mrs. Kulkarni to share a few thoughts with us. Thank you so much, Ms. Kulkarni, to come, and over to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody. Firstly, I have to thank Principal Ma'am, Ritu Ma'am, for inviting me for such a wonderful presentation. I mean, it's one of the best art integration projects I have ever seen. I have to tell you, all of y'all deserve a big round of applause. Please unmute, everybody unmute yourselves and let us hear a loud clap. Come on. Yes, it's time to make some noise because this was so exciting. I mean, if this were an actual physical school, I would have been hooting and cheering. But to see the performance, we have to be on mute. But trust me, there were places where I just wanted to dance with the children. I mean, such a wonderful performance. I mean, I don't remember the names of everybody, but the dance performances were so great. And I'm so happy to see that not only at a surface level, you all have not skimmed Odisha at a surface level, but the children have gone into details of language, art, folk music, folk dance, the art forms, you know. I mean, I can tell you that some of these art forms that the children have done are dying art forms, literally dying art forms. And I'm so glad and happy, also proud to see that these children way far away in Maharashtra have kept this alive by doing it at their home, by spreading the name of these art forms. I'm pretty sure that most of the population in India would not know anything about this. So this is such a great thing about art integration, that you can sit here and visit another state, know so many things about them, that when you visit there, you're like, yeah, I have learned this, I have seen this. Ye to mujhe pata hai, we did this dance. It's so familiar. It just brings everyone together. And essentially, that's what school education is all about, right? Although there is maths, there is science, there is, algebra, geometry, maths, and whatnots, languages, but they are not different. We are trying to give a holistic view of everything. For our convenience, we have divided it into subjects, isn't it? But in reality, it is all the same. It gives us all a holistic view of everything. The art teacher teaches us how the clouds look so pretty. Then the language teacher turns up and tells us a poem about clouds. Science teacher comes and says, how are they formed? So everyone is talking about the same thing, and now the child knows so much about the cloud, but yet the child can see and figure out some shapes, that the cloud looks like an elephant. So right now, what you all have done is exactly the same, about the art, culture. And I'm so happy to see the children have actually learned the Varnamala in Odissi or Odia. Is it called Odia? So yes, I have to say Dhanyabad to Ritu ma'am. I have also learned one word in Odia, and I think I have learned Shamakari. Shamakari, yes, sorry. So I learned a few words in Odia as well. So thank you for teaching me something. I learned so much today. I learned about a new culture. Otherwise, we really don't take the effort to actually know about another state. And that is where this is such a wonderful, wonderful thing. Art integration can be so much fun. I mean, it's one of the little explored territories of Indian education system. Very little known. But yet, finally, with the new education policy, we are seeing art and physical training and dance and music come and stand at par with the other subjects. I'm really so happy. I'm the most excited for this, because this is so much fun, isn't it? School is supposed to be fun. We're all supposed to be having fun together, learning new things. Tell me, really, did everyone have fun? Just unmute yourself and tell me, did you all have fun doing this? Did you all have fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. You all had fun doing something new, right? Of course, we have to study, we have to give our exams, and we have to do all of that. But there is a lot of fun in school. This is fun, right? I'm sure the teachers also had fun. Of course, there is a little bit of pressure because there's a deadline and you have to do things in time. That's our job, right? As adults, we are capable of doing that. But it is so much fun, and to see this show makes it all worth it, isn't it? Just to see our children sing, dance, have fun. And I can see in the videos, the teachers are waiting with bated breath. Are they going to see what we taught them? Yes, she has said everything right. Yes, she's got it right. And it's really about the children having fun. They have sang and danced, and what a dance it was. Such beautiful singing. Srishti and Srijana, Vedika, Soham, Shravani. I'm pretty sure I'm missing a whole bunch of names here, but such a great performance, and kudos to the teachers. I mean, I know for a fact that we may have great ideas and it's worth nothing. If you don't have a team to execute, it's nothing. And I can see, Ritu ma'am, you have such an awesome team. Come on, everybody is going to unmute and we are going to do 3 cheers for the teachers and Ritu ma'am. Come on, everybody unmute in loud voice. Everyone unmute. Hip hip. Hooray! 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 So happy and glad that y'all actually invited me and I was able to be a part of this such a wonderful show. I mean, we all sit in our own small cocoons of our schools and do our own thing, but it's just so wonderful to interact and see other children, other schools, other teachers. It's just so refreshing. And I really enjoyed myself. I mean, this is the best 1 hour in the whole month. I can tell you that. It was like the best thing. It's like,
thank you so much.
I really enjoyed myself, and thank you guys. It was really wonderful. And especially, I would like to say that this whole thought process, I know this entire thing is conceived and formed like a baby by principal ma'am and help from the coordinators, and then we start rallying up the teachers, okay, what all thing, what happens, and then the students. Such a wonderful team all around. Just kudos to you all, more power to you all. It was just great. Really great.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sangeeta ma'am. Coming from you is always the biggest compliment ever. You know it very well. So thank you so much.
No, it is nothing like that. We all are doing great things in silos. Yes. I'm sure there are so many things that if we actually interact, we will definitely learn from each other. It's just that we don't do the same great thing. Yes. You're doing something great, I'm doing something okay. So everything turns, and then when you see something new, it just looks really nice. So we are all doing a great job together. After all the schools also are a team, right? We are all a team. We are all trying to educate children, and it is just lovely to see this wonderful, sweet, cute children just sing, dance, do their stuff. Awesome. Really awesome. Hats off.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta ma'am. Your words have not only brought energy to this small meeting, virtual conference meeting that we are having, but also I think the whole team, not only of the teachers, but my children would have been equally proud and jumping at the end of the meeting saying, yay, we received good views from our guests. I would request our director, sir, Honorable Director, sir, Mr. Mediratta, to say a few words for the children.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Sangeeta ma'am. Thanks a lot for coming. And it was great to hear from you. It was very motivating for the kids as well. Even, हमें भी बहुत मजा आ रहा था when you were saying the things. It's always. So I am really, really very proud, the whole TSS team. In fact, we have to be proud, reason being because you have the power to rise in any of the situation and deliver the best result, no matter what the circumstances are. So excellent work, I would say. And to be very honest, I don't know how did you manage to do such great job. Kabhi sham ko parents ko phone kar rahe, teachers, and the kids are also involved and all, everything, तो इसे ही बोलते हैं कि लाइक कि एक बार अगर हमने कुछ ठान लिया तो हम कुछ करके ही दिखाएंगे. तो बस वही हम लोगों को अपने अंदर एक जगाना है कि ये 2020 जो भी गया, मैं नहीं बोलूंगा कि वो बहुत खराब साल था. इसने हमें बहुत अच्छी लर्निंग दी है. हम लोगों को ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म मिला, हम लोग घर पे बैठ के भी पढ़ रहे थे, सब कुछ कर रहे थे. टीचर्स वर डूइंग, रनिंग हियर एंड देयर एंड डूइंग all the things. So I would say कि ये एक learning year था. So I should mark it as a मेरे अपने कैलेंडर में लग दूंगा, ये एक learning year रहा हमारे लिए. हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा. And teachers and all the team members, the way you handle the project, that showed एक resilience, the experience, the knowledge, and the critical thinking what you had and you delivered. I would really love to get, a perspective of our new project, whatever you are coming up with. So I would really love to see that. Thank you. Thank you all. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words. They're always inspiring as Sangeeta ma'ams. So Sangeeta ma'am, we have Sangeeta Sisodia ma'am, who basically is the mother teacher taking this ahead. So Sangeeta Sisodia ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am, Ritu ma'am, and sir for your words of wisdom. I would now like to call upon Neelam ma'am to share the ending thought.
गुजरता हुआ वक्त गुजर जाएगा, गुजरता हुआ वक्त गुजर जाएगा, अगर कुछ पास रह जाएगा जो बरसों बाद भी याद रह जाएगा, तो वो होगा इस हंसी दिन का कोई रोशन सा लम्हा. उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने वो रोशन सा लम्हा जो कैद कर लिया होगा. आप सभी लोग का तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हो. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.